Alright, this is my second example going from standard form to vertex form without using the calculator table. This is another example that is completely filled out for us. I'll go through it slightly quicker, and our next example I'll do one start to finish that's not already done for us. Here's my first one. What I always like for you to do, A, B, and C. My A is this number here, my B is this 20, and my C is 49. This one we're going to totally not use the calculator at all. To find my axis of symmetry, remember this is also my axis of symmetry is x equals h. That is the same h for my vertex. Again, remember my vertex is hk. So this is going to find my h here. I'm going to plug this in. I like to make it negative b on top. What is b? Again, I put parentheses with negative. My b is 20. And then it is 2 times a. My a and b, I just put parentheses and fill them in. My a on bottom is 2. I put 2 there. Okay. Now, negative 20. That's simply on top going to be negative 20. 2 times 2 is 4. Simplify that. Negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5. So my x is equal to negative 5, which also tells me my h is equal to negative 5. Now, we are going to use this negative 5 right here. Let me highlight this to show us. This is my negative 5. This is that same negative 5. This is that same negative 5. When we substitute h into my standard form equation, that then makes this k. That then makes this k, which tells us when I plug this in that we have k is equal to negative 1. If you have a calculator on you, you can go ahead and plug all that into the calculator exactly as it is, including my parentheses, and you'll get negative 1, or you can do the math. I am very, very quickly going to do the math for you so you see that it is a possibility for you to do without the calculator. So here I have 2 times negative 5 squared is 25, and then I have plus 20 times negative 5, that is going to be minus 100 plus 49. 2 times 25 is 50, so we have 50 minus 100 plus 49. And just quickly with number sense, we see we have 50 and 49. That's positive 99. So we have 99 minus 100, which is negative 1. There's our negative 1. My k is equal to negative 1. And again, my vertex here, this is h, and that is k. For my vertex form, A, H, K, that's A, this is H, and that is K. A was the same as up here, we just take that 2. H from our vertex, negative 5, K, negative 1. 2. My negative 5 is a plus 5 in here because inside these parentheses is always opposite because of that negative h in our original equation for vertex form. And then k is negative 1, that's why we have negative 1 on the end. That is the end of example number 2.